Hey guys, wanted to make this video so that you could see how to find your missing assignments and then how to do those missing assignments. So how to get to them without having to wait for me to unlock them all. I'm going to show you first how to do this. We'll do shared reading first. So if I click on shared reading, and this is a student page, so this is what you should see too. And then I'm going to go to grades. So on my grades page, I can see every assignment that we've had since the beginning of the year with a due date on it. And so you can see that some of these assignments are missing. If they have a check mark, that means they've been completed. If they have a dash, that means nothing was turned in. You can also see points if there were points, like this was worth 6 and they got 6, and so on. And these are ones for the future. They don't have a due date yet. So on ones that are missing, what you can do is click the assignment, and you'll notice that it brings you to the submission details. So right now, you can't see what was turned in or what was done. If you had turned something in, you would be able to see the work posted right here. However, nothing was turned in, so you can't see that. So where do you do the work at? It's not there. You're going to click this link where it says what the task was, Neil Armstrong, Day 8 writing prompt. Once you click that, it will bring you to the task. And now you can complete your work. All right. So that is one way that you can find your work. Let's do it on another class. So let's do math class. Again, I'm going to click on grades. All right, and so here I can see what has been turned in, how many points I got. If it has this little checkbox on the side, that means that you had some kind of response from me, like a comment that I posted. But if we scroll down, find something that maybe was missing. So for example, this was supposed to be done on the 15th. It doesn't say missing, but there's a dash here. So I know that it is missing because there's a dash. We didn't get a score. So again, to do that, I can click here. I see there's no preview because I haven't done anything on this assignment. So I didn't do this assignment. To do it, I can click the link right above it that has the name. And now it will open up the assignment so I can complete it. All right. I'm hoping that this will help you guys while I'm away, so that you can find your missing assignments and complete those, because I'm not sure if the sub is going to be able to help you find them. But this is just also a good way for you guys to be independent and be able to do this on your own. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope this helps.